Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and I gotta tell you, I love my new standing desk that we're going to tell you all about. It's from FEZiBO, and I love the new Jasper. This is beautiful. Look at this built-in lighting. Very cool and chic drawers. A little riser here to where you can put your monitor or laptop on it and get a bird's eye view, which is good for your posture. And this thing has 1, 2, 3, 4 presets to where you can have a standing position, a sitting position, and a couple in between positions. Now, if you're not familiar with standing desks, you should be. If you sit for 45 minutes, you should stand maybe for 15 minutes. And they say that sitting is the new smoking. It's not good for you to sit all day, just like it's not good for you to smoke. So the difference of being able to sit down, being able to stand up, is going to make a world of difference. Now this is available in a light or a dark walnut. We have the dark walnut here, and this goes with all of our furniture. It looks ultra classy. And yeah, I love that there's plenty of storage, that very nice riser, high quality, durable, reliable, and responsible. Now the feet, I love the fact that you can do a flat foot or you can do a wheel, and they've got high quality wheels. And this is a great desk from a incredible brand. Let me go ahead. We're going to show you all about it. We're going to kick it off right about now. Now, folks, one big advantage to this brand, obviously, are these very cool drawers. I love the drawers, and I love being able to store things like my pen and paper, even magazines, notepads, things of the sort right in there. So we've got dual pull-out drawers. I do like that. And I love the LED lighting right down the bottom. And we can turn that on and off at a push of a button. So they've done a great job. And these LEDs are energy efficient to where you never have to worry about your energy bill. Very cool. Now, if you are somebody who likes to decorate, this back shelf is a good addition. And a lot of people will go ahead and put their external monitor right there to where when you're standing, you can have the monitor right in front of you. That's a great design for you. And it's an even better design for me. Now, something else I will note is that this is ultra quiet, okay? So whether we're going down or up, you won't be able to hear it much. And that is a big selling point for me. And it should be a big selling point for you. Now, not only is it you can pick any height and it tells you the exact height right there, but you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 presets, easy to set presets, just like a FM radio where you hold down. So those presets are going to go ahead and give you the perfect spot for you. You can set it and you can forget it. So I like that a whole bunch. And you've got plenty of extra storage right here in the center. That's a big advantage as well. And you can run your wires through the center. They've just done a little bit of everything, making sure that you have a tremendous experience. Now, like we stated before, you can go with the standard flat feet, or we've gone ahead and put the wheels on here, which will lock in place to where it won't slide around, but you can move this if you like. And yeah, this is a T-structure leg on each side, making sure you've got plenty of stability and a big and powerful built-in motor that makes it convenient and affordable. Now, of course, folks, there's a few things I love about this. Now, this particular desk is 48 inches by 26, which is the perfect size for my office. I love the black frame with the dark walnut. And yeah, it's at a price that won't break the bank. They've done a great job making high quality products that won't break the bank in terms of the pricing. Now, if you look at this finish here, this is not scratching up. They've done a great job of making something that is built to last. It's beautiful and practical. The American style and modern technology with the carbon fiber grain. This is really beautiful. The floating drawers and the aesthetic experience are second to none. It's one that you're going to want to decorate up and really have a good time. Now, that 5-volt LED strip, you can adjust it and put it exactly how you want it. I put it where I want it, and I do like that floating drawer design, which gives us a little accent detail that is next level for sure. And you can keep all of your extras and accoutrements and accompaniments right there. Now, this, again, is a great place for a monitor stand or your favorite peripherals. It's got storage right here, and I like that I can kind of tuck my laptop away right in here and keep my desk ultra organized perfectly. So with the 2 drawers, the black walnut, and the overall ergonomic design, there is nothing better. And of course, I love the fact that I can adjust to one of my presets and never have to worry about it. It's just set it and forget it. And folks, one of the other things that I like about this is it will go very low, it will go very high, but also has anti-collision technology to where if it bumps into something, it doesn't keep pushing through. Some of the lesser quality desks, when it hits something, it just keeps going and it can do damage to things like your walls or windowsills. This goes ahead and it has an anti-collision technology to where if it does sense that it's going to hit something, it will automatically stop and your belongings are safe. It's also very sturdy. I got to show you, we've got, things that would rattle, metal and glass right there. And even though we're raising up and down, you don't hear a single rattle out of this. And I'll tell you what, you would hear this rattle otherwise. So very nice. And like I said, with the presets, I can press a button, let it do the work for me. And if it does hit something, it will automatically stop. And folks, don't forget, upgrade your workspace today. FEZiBO Black Friday deals won't last. Go ahead and pick yours up now. So folks, if you're looking for the best of the best, well, this is one that you're going to want to pick up so you can forget the rest. You know I love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? It's time to go ahead and get to shopping. Go pick one up today. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching and go pick one up. Adios, amigos. I love you guys.